are interested in cryptocurrency and want to get more information about cryptocurrency project, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is saucethedogai.com. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Guys, you can see this, you can watch this video completely, and next guys we discuss more detail about this project. The first living creature to be deliberately placed into orbit around the earth was the 2-year-old mixed breed dog Laika. She was born on November 3, 1957, launched into space with the Soviet rocket Sputnik. However, she did not survive the unusual journey. Now, almost 70 years later, one is conquered by crypto technology, improved dog paired with artificial intelligence and enhanced synapse space to uncover the secrets of blockchain bond. And companies also say the dog AI on his journey and help him the next and best and most unique document in the wonderful world of crypto. Are you ready? Become part of something big. May the bond be with you. So say the Dog AI, a groundbreaking AI token and trading god that merges the worlds of artificial intelligence, canon, loyalty, and crypto trading into a singular global movement. So say the Dog AI trading bot launched not just a bot but an AI powered crypto trading partner designed to give you the advantage you have been searching for. We want to be the first real top 100 meme coin based BNB smart chain. Next guys, you can check here copy contract address. Guys, you can see this copy token address, and next we discuss stacking. Don't miss out on bond stacking API up to 120% in the first month. Stack SDDAI and get bond upgrade as a bonus. Next guys, you can see this pinkset.finance start time. You can check here end time. So guys, we go to pinkset.finance. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here pinksale.finance page is open. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect polling wallet. You can check here. Then guys, you can see this more detail about this project. Guys, you can see this pre-sale end time. You can see this for hot 20 minutes 31 seconds remaining. You can see this, you can see this, you can enter your amount, then you can buy now, you can swap now. You can see this sale, pre-sale is live now. You can see this about a company sausage the dog AI on his journey and help him the next and best and most unique decade in the wonderful world of crypto. Naga, you can check here, edit KYC, no tax, no unlock token, no team token, AVAI partnership, CoinGecko, DexView, Dex Screener, Dex Tool Trends, Montoke, CN token. You can see this article, guys. You can see this video. You can watch this video on YouTube about this project. Guys, you can check here address, name, sausage, dog AI, sample STD AI, decimal 9, total supply. You can check here. Next guys, you can check here pool info, address, token for pre-sale amount, token for liquidity amount, initial market cap amount, soft cap 50 BMG, start time, end time, listing on PancakeSwap, Top Finance, liquidity percent 51%, liquidity lockup time 180 days after pools. And next guys, you can check here affiliate program details. You can see this top reward, tokenomics, log info. You can see this all details. So guys, we go to PancakeSwap, Top Finance and discuss how to buy. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see the PancakeSwap page is open. So first of all, you can import this token, then you can select network. You can click here and select polling network, BNB, Smart Chain, Ethereum. So I select BNB. Then you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect polling wallet, MetaMask, Binance Web3 wallet, Coinbase wallet. Then guys, you can enter your BNB amount. For example, I enter BNB amount 23. Then you can buy this token STD AI. If you swap STD AI to BNB, then you can click here and enter your STD AI token amount. Then you can swap now, and next we back to the home page. And next guys, we discuss more detail about this project. So we back to the home page. Guys, this project is launched on PancakeSwap.finance 27 2024 at 10 UTC. So guys, you can buy now. And next guys, you can check here tokenomics detail, tokenomics CX listing 10%, AI stacking 10%, AI fair launch 80%. Next guys, you can see the 0% tax for buy and sale. And next guys, roadmap step 1 sausage army launch, sausage dog AI contract added, pink sale finance fair launch, financial sausage dog AI preparation, worldwide marketing campaign. Next guys, step 2 sausage army expansion, coal blast, Binance chain network takeover. Step 3 token listing, DEX listing, PancakeSwap, sausage dog AI launch on global exchange platform. This is the public STD AI launch. Sausage dog AI trading bot launch, not just a bot but an AI powered crypto trading partner designed to give you the advantage you have been searching for. And then guys, you can check here white paper. You can download this white paper and see this project white paper. So guys, we download now. You can click here and download. And next guy, you can see this edit, you can see this edited. And next guy, you can check here partner of this project crypto solution. Guys, you can visit now. And next guy, you can see this more partner coin market cap, Binance, Sbit, CoinGecko. You can see the tax screener, pink sale finance. You can see this, you can see this. And next guy, you can see this, you can contact us, email support at the rate ysausage.ai.com. You can contact us at the rate ysausage thedogai.com. Guys, you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter. We go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can check here. So say the Dog AI official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and give information about this project. You can check here pink sale, fair launch, start time, end time. You can see this all important update about this project. And next we back to the home page. And next we go to this project official Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can see this also the dog AI official Telegram group chat community is open. Guys, you can join this chat and give information about this project. You can check here 1325 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. And next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.